And now to the courts, where a businessman has denied receiving 6.8 million shillings from an investor who intended to purchase an apartment along Ngong Road. The accused, David Kinyua Ndegwa, appeared before Milimani Law Court, where he pleaded not guilty to the charges leveled against him. Our court reporter Debra Letuaa has more details on this and other stories making headlines from the corridors of justice.
The accused, David Kinyua Ndegwa, denies allegations of obtaining Kenya shillings 6.8 million from an investor seeking to buy an apartment. The case, which dates back to transactions between 2016 and 2018, was presented before presiding magistrate Susan Shitubi. Ndegwa is accused of receiving the money from Richard Emuru Obo under false pretenses. However, in court today, Ndegwa family denies the charges. The magistrate granted him release on a cash bail of Kenya shillings 100,000 or a bond of Kenya shillings 500,000 with one surety.
And in addition, he'll deposit his passport in court. Prosecution to supply the defense copies of all documents to be used at the trial.
The case is set for mention on March 6, 2025 for a pre-trial conference, which further legal proceedings will be determined. And elsewhere, a suspect linked to the transportation of 1,500 kilos of donkey meat, 15 donkey hides and other animal parts has been arraigned in an Embu court. The suspect was intercepted by police along the Kiritiri-Embu highway while carrying the illicit cargo. He is facing charges of engaging in illegal meat trade and endangering public health. The prosecution revealed that detectives are pursuing other individuals believed to be part of the syndicate. The court ordered the suspect to remain in custody pending further investigations, with a mentioned date set for next week.
Tumeulizwa tuweze kuwajibika sana wakati tunaangalia nyama yoyote yenye inasafirishwa ili kuepukana na wananchi kupatana na madhara ya ugonjwa wa anthrax, na ndio tuweze kuimarisha afya ya wananchi.
Tumefanya audit. We are yet to give out the report. We are yet to seek court order to dispose the meat today.
And finally, Lea Muthoni Moura, a director of Vasco Real Estate, was charged at Thika Law Court with land fraud after her arrest following prolonged evasion of authorities. She pleaded not guilty to obtaining Kenya shillings 9.8 million from two individuals under false pretenses. Thika Principal Magistrate Yusuf Baraza ordered her detention until March 3, 2025 for charge consolidation and bond consideration.
The defense to be supplied with all the necessary pretrial documents. This file shall be mentioned before court number 1, which is handling similar matters, for consideration, for consolidation, and for further orders including bond tax. Meanwhile, the accused person shall be remanded in custody.
To make a similar application that the defense be supplied with a copy of the charge sheet